Welcome to Abdomax Reviews, where you'll hear from real users who have tried and tested our products. Get an honest and detailed account of their experiences and see if Abdomax is the right fit for you. Don't just take our word for it, hear it straight from our satisfied customers. Stay tuned for some inspiring success stories and transformational transformations. Let's see what Abdomax can do for you. And don't forget to check out the discount link in the video description to get an exclusive deal on Abdomax. What is Abdomax? Gut problems can be linked to a lack of pepsinogen, a crucial gut molecule essential for proper digestion. Pepsinogen aids in digestion, supports colon lubrication, and protects against harmful bacteria. Pepsinogen production is not under consumers' control, but Abdomax can activate the molecule to restore levels. Abdomax is the first and only natural remedy for supporting pepsinogen production. It contains 9 ingredients to regulate production and is made with organic ingredients in the US. Abdomax helps improve gut health and slow digestion. Ingredients in Abdomax? Abdomax contains a blend of 9 ingredients that work together to achieve optimal balance and pepsinogen levels. The ingredients include glucomannan root. Glucomannan root is a dietary fiber that improves gut health by supporting probiotic bacteria and reducing appetite. It also helps reduce bad cholesterol and triglycerides and may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. It is generally safe but may cause rare side effects such as bloating, flatulence, diarrhea, or soft stools. Psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is a type of fiber derived from the Plantago ovata plant. It functions as a laxative by absorbing water in the intestines to create bulk in stools. It promotes regular bowel movements and is safe to use as a regular or occasional supplement for digestive health issues. It also has benefits for overall health, including reducing cholesterol levels, but it's important to drink enough water when taking it to avoid discomfort. Bentonite clay. Bentonite clay, derived from aged volcanic ash, is used as a natural remedy in Abdomax. It provides trace minerals and can aid in reducing inflammation, providing antibacterial support. It may also help relieve stomach gas and diarrhea, although more research is needed. It should be noted that it is not a topical remedy and should be ingested. Black walnut. Black walnut, also known as Juglans nigra, is a type of tree native to North America, typically found near natural bodies of water. It provides a good source of protein, vitamin A, iron, minerals, and fiber, and is particularly rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids, antioxidants, and other compounds. Studies suggest that it may have health benefits, such as reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Abdomax contains the ingredient in capsule form and not in its natural state. Oat bran. Oat bran is the outer casing of oat groat, rich in dietary fiber, low in saturated fat, and high in essential nutrients. It provides dietary fiber that helps to manage hunger and is high in iron, B vitamins, and protein. It improves blood pressure and promotes better digestive health, also helps to lower LDL cholesterol levels, and is good for heart health by relaxing blood vessels and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Flax seed. Flaxseed is a good source of dietary fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. It offers health benefits such as reducing the risk of heart disease and fighting breast cancer and diabetes. It's often used as a weight loss aid and helps to lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Plum. Plums are a domesticated fruit with a long history. It raises natural levels of pepsinogen. They offer many health benefits such as reducing the risk of heart disease, reducing anxiety, and relieving constipation. They are also high in antioxidants and a good source of vitamin C. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its healing properties, traditionally used to help with constipation. It helps lower blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of cancer, and act as a laxative. However, long-term exposure may increase the risk of cancer in lab animals, and research on its use is mixed. Apple pectin. Apple pectin is a type of soluble fiber found in apples. It serves as a digestive supplement and a thickening agent. When consumed, it improves digestive health, reduces the risk of gastrointestinal disorders, and helps with metabolism-related issues. It is used in alternative medicine for a variety of conditions such as colon cancer and diabetes, diarrhea, GERD, high cholesterol, and IBS. Consult with a doctor before using it for these issues. Abdomax pricing. Abdomax is available for purchase exclusively through its official website. The website offers 3 different package options for customers to choose from based on their desired quantity. The options include 1 bottle for $49 plus shipping, 4 bottles for $135, 6 bottles for $205. All orders come with a 30-day money-back guarantee from the date of purchase. Conclusion. Abdomax is a dietary supplement that contains a blend of natural ingredients to support digestive health. Each ingredient has its own unique benefits, including promoting regular bowel movements, reducing inflammation, reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, lowering blood pressure, and supporting weight loss. The supplement can only be purchased through the official website and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description for an exclusive discount on Abdomax. Try it today and see the benefits for yourself. With our 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose.